Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, if you want to know how I got these beautiful coils, these lushy coils and wig. Stay tuned. So first of all, we're using a heat protector and these two new coiler. So first of all, you want to apply your heat protector. Please, guys, remember, don't apply anything heat without applying a heat protector, in order not to damage your hair, your weave. So you see me combing in the heat protector. Then I want to use the spiral coils, though it didn't really give me what I wanted. It gave me something like a body wave. And again, I would advise, if you're going to use this type of spiral coiler, let your weave be a short weave. This wig is a 10 inches wig, and it was too long for the coiler. So you can see, guys, it gave me a body wave, but that's not really what I wanted, so I switched to a tighter coiler. So now, very easy, guys. You just want to place your coiler on top and roll the hair tight, no space. As you can see what I'm doing, no spacing. I'm not spacing the weave. I'm bringing both of them. I'm coiling the hair together. So you want to hold your head for some minutes and release gently to your palm. Don't let it fall. If you want your coils to last for days, mine lasted for a week or so. You want to hold the coils and pin it. So you can use a duck clip. I'm using a bobby pin for me. Yeah, I use bobby pin and duck clip. I mixed both of them. So anyone that is available for you guys, you can use. So you want to hold the coils on your palm, and it's hot, guys. So you do that. I advise you wear a hand glove. So now let's do it one more time. You comb out. You don't want to coil any tangles. Place your coiler on top. I want all the coils to go in one direction. So all of them should be on top. The coiler should be on top, and you roll tightly, guys. Zoom in and see, no spacing. I want the coils to come out very tight. So you roll tightly. Be careful, this one is very hot, and you let it stay for some minutes. Then you roll to your palm and you pin. As simple as that. So guys, you want to do this to the rest of your weave. Then I'll come back when we've gotten to the closure. Remember to roll your hair tightly on the coil. If not, you'll have something like a body wave. Hold the tangle, roll, and this took me roughly 5 minutes. Sorry, 10 minutes. Because the light was horrible, so I had to switch off. So it took me like 10 to 15 minutes stop. I've been doing this for some time. So now we are in the closure. So now here is the very, very important part. So guys, now I'm doing a side parting. This is a 4x4 closure. I have a video on how to plug and customize your closure. Please check that out. So now I'm using a styling mousse to define my pattern. So I'm just making my pattern very, very neat and straight. You can do a side, you can do a center part, you can do a C part, you can do whatever style you want. For me, I'm doing a side pattern here. So you see me using the styling mousse. So now I want to cover the tracks at the back. What I mean is covering where the closure and the weave were sewn together. So I'm using some parts of the closure to cover my tracks. So you don't want to take too much, just a little to cover the tracks. Remember, it's a 4x4 closure. It's not a frontal, so you just want to take a little to just cover your tracks. Apply your styling mousse, and I would advise you use your hand though to apply the styling mousse. So now I'm using a hot comb now to press the styling mousse in. This will make my closure very flat. So press it in very well. Be careful guys not to burn your lace. Be careful not to burn your lace guys, especially if you're using a transparent or a HD lace. This is a normal French Swiss lace. So can you see that scarf? Go check that video guys, go check that video, go check that closure customization video on my YouTube. I have a detailed video on how you can achieve those scarf guys. So now we're just doing the same thing, bringing some hair over, applying styling mousse and hot combing it. So you want to do this to the rest of the closure. What this does, it makes your closure smooth, it makes your closure very flat, it gives it that natural look, and it's beautiful. It takes time, but you love the outcome. So you just want to part, apply styling mousse, then hot comb. If you're doing the center part, you do one side, then you do the other side. So that's basically it guys. So now I'm coming with the hot comb and I'm pressing it in. Take your time. You want to be in a good mood, put some music, and you see the outcome guys. So I'm just pressing it in. Remember, this closure has been plucked, this closure has been customized. I have a video, a detailed video on how to achieve this look. So guys, go watch it guys. So now let's fasten this. The same thing I'm doing all over again till I get to my side pattern. Wow, can you see that scarf? Go watch the video guys. So now after that is done, I just go in one more time with the hot comb and press out my edges. Guys, can you see that hairline? Go watch the video. Can you see that hairline? Can you see how plucked that hairline is? Wow. So now I'm using a wax stick or a pomade to please apply slightly. I kind of apply too much, but please apply. You don't want it to be white like this, just a little goes a long way. So I'm applying it on my edges, and the side pattern to define it very well. Please don't mind my fingers. Please. So when that is done, please apply. I apply too much guys, so please apply little. It attracts dust when you apply too much. It makes your closure so oily, so apply little guys. So now because I apply too much, I'm kind of combing it in to to kind of melt it in before I come in with the hot comb. Yes, so now you see me coming in with the hot comb to press out those those edges. Press it out. If you want a baby hair, maybe after this or during installation, you can just bring out some baby hair, but I'm not really a baby hair fan, should be told. So I'm just pressing everything in. If you want, you can go in and pluck your closure one more time, but I think I'll stick with this. So now you see me gently guys. Please don't burn your lace, please don't burn yourself. My hot comb is really not that hot, so I'll come in with another type of hot too. So now you see, using the back to press it in. Please don't put it on your lace. I'm just putting, you see me, I'm not putting it on the lace, just put it on the hair please, so you won't burn your lace. Please guys, be careful. Put it on the hair, it's not the lace, put it on the hair. So now I've not really gotten what I wanted, so now you see me coming with the same coiler. If your hot comb is very hot, I'm sure yours will come out fine, but my hot comb is very hot, so it's not really giving me what I want. So now you see me coming in with the coiler and pressing it in one more time. So now you continue your coiling and you're good to go. Let's coil the other side, the same thing, wrap it tightly and pin it up. So when you're done, you apply some holding spray, 12 inches, guys. Don't come close. Go far. Apply the holding spray, let it cool down a bit, then you gently remove the pin you're using. If you're using a bobby pin, if you're using a duck clip. Can you see those coils, guys? Can you see? I hope you love this video, and I'm just giving the closure a lift by using the back of my comb and just take it up a bit. Just giving, if you don't want it, it's not necessary. I just love giving my closure some lift. So you see me just combing it in and making it smooth. Guys, can you see that hairline? Go watch the video. So now I'm just showing you guys the hairline and how it came out. So now I'm just combing the coils and the back. Let it smoothen out a bit. And voila! Here's the final look, guys. What do you think? I play too much. Wow, I love this look. This look gave me a lot of compliments. My clients were so happy with the hair. I was so happy with the hair. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you loved the video. It's so simple, it's so straightforward. Please let me know in the comment down below what you think, and bye. If you love this video, if you love the hair, if you love the closure, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and thank you very much. I love you. Bye.